This is just a quick vid to show you how currently we set up a Smartform, a Brightpearl Smartform within a Basekit site. So let's go back to Brightpearl. We've got set up Smartforms, and you can add as many different forms as you like. So they can be contact pages, registration pages, ticket page, quote page, all sorts of things like that. Got a template here, and what I want to do is I want to stick a contact form in this area. So I'm just going to use your embed widget for now. Let's just drop that in. And if we go back to our Smartform and let's put the main contact page in, so we edit that, and then the external link tab, you've got a script widget here that you can stick in. So let's edit this, pop the widget in there, and currently I've actually stuck some CSS in too, but without the CSS it works fine, and save changes. And save changes to the settings. Cool. And there we have the form that's automatically pulled through. So I haven't figured out a way to preview this. Preview. There we go. Does this work? It does indeed. So you see Brightpearl's pulling all the JavaScript through as well that's needed for form validation, things like that. So let's actually use the form. Chris from Brightpearl, and email, doesn't matter of course what it is. Any old telephone number, message. If I submit this form, we can actually choose what the form does. So let's just say after we submit the form, we can have great, good to have you on board. Save changes there. If we pop back to the Basekit site and submit the form, that'll push it into Brightpearl, of course take the user back to the same page. Great, good to have you on board. Looks like because we're in preview mode it's still showing something on there. And if we go into Brightpearl, contacts, recently added contacts, we'll see this new contact, Chris from Brightpearl. Of course we can go to their timeline and see where they came from. All sorts of funky stuff we can do from them now. So here we go, created from main contact page with a message. And you can get Smartforms to do all sorts of things like send emails, send SMSs and things like that. So let's figure out how we can make this a smart and smooth process really for your users. I don't really want to go with the embed widget. It would be quite cool if we had a Brightpearl drag and drop, and then if they don't have a Brightpearl account, we can pop a little window above yours, a modal, and then we can provision them from within there and give them a default smart form without any other settings.